Let us wait for everyone to join. Previous class, we completed decomposition reaction. That was of 3 types. Till now, we have completed 2 types of reaction. Those are combination as well as decomposition. Today, we'll be starting with another kind.
Ma'am, you have done till electrolysis of water, na?
Yes, beta. Electrolysis we have done for 2. एक हमने सोडियम क्लोराइड के लिए किया था and another for water. I hope you all had written the observations which I had sent in the notebook.
Ma'am, where you have sent?
बेटा मैंने उसी दिन बोला नहीं था कि observations as we are not having time to dictate, so I'll be sending in the WhatsApp group. So I'd send the observations in the WhatsApp group just after the class, maybe after an hour. मैंने भेज दिया था. Have you all written? किसने किसने लिखा है? Please raise your hands. Okay, only 3 hands are coming up. Harshita, Riddhesh, and Nikhil. Others also should write. It's very important, as I said, that सारे reactions में observations important है. And वो electrolysis of water के observations बहुत important है. Let me just send once the link in the group also, and then I'll be starting.
Good morning, Anjay, ma'am.
Good morning. Are you all fine? मतलब like it's so much of viral spreading these days. So तुम सब ठीक हो ना, right? Everyone is taking care of their health. I hope.
Ma'am, I am not well.
Not well, Nikhil?
No, ma'am.
Sachin also not well. Yes, that is the condition. Same is with me. I'm also not at all well. I don't know what sort of symptoms I'm getting.
Ma'am, please take care of yourself.
Yes, that is what I'm saying. You all also take care. Don't go out. Fine. So let us start now with displacement reaction today. First, let us understand what actually displacement reaction means. I'm sharing a board and there we'll be doing the things. So till now, I'll be just comparing that हमने जो 2 तरह के reactions किए थे, so उनमें क्या हो रहा था. The first one that we did was combination, where we saw 2 reactants were combining to form a single product, right? Combination was somewhere the reactants were 2 or more than 2 and the product was 1. So this was combination. Next type that we did where the reactant was 1 but the product was 2 या फिर more than 2. right? And this was a decomposition reaction जहां पे reactant टूट रहा था to make more than 2 products or 2 products, right? So these 2 types we have done. हमने decomposition 3 तरीके से किया. That means एक reactant को तोड़ा जा सकता है by different methods, that is by thermal, electrolytic and photolytic, that we did. Now today's new type of reaction that we are going to do is displacement. Displacement itself is indicating, that means कोई ना कोई चीज displace हो रही है, उसको हटाया जा रहा है, right? So this happens in the displacement reaction where there is a compound which contains 2 elements in a reactant. Reactant side में एक कंपाउंड ऐसा होगा जिसमें एक से 2 एलिमेंट होंगे कम से कम, and there is another reactant also. And after the reaction, what happens, if this reactant, if this element is more reactive than any of these, then it will displace it to combine with and form a compound, and उसमें से एक element को अलग कर देता है. This is what actually happens in displacement. That means C has displaced B. Are you getting? Because see, आपको इक्वेशन को देख के पहचानना भी आना चाहिए कि ये कौन से तरीके का रिएक्शन हो रहा है. So will you be able to recognize this type of reaction? Are you all able to hear me?
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll be discussing few of the examples also so that you get it more clearly. And हमें ये भी देखना है कि रिएक्शन कब होगा और कब नहीं होगा. इसका एक बहुत कॉमन एग्जाम्पल जो हम since class 8 we are doing, not even 8, from class 7th we are doing. एक रिएक्शन आप लोग को याद होगा कि हम कॉपर सल्फेट लेते हैं, right, which is of blue color, and then we put iron nail into it. Class 8 में ये reactions मैंने आपको बहुत अच्छे से करके दिखाए थे. कॉपर सल्फेट में जब आप आयरन नेल डालते हो, so what happens? क्या होता है?
And iron displaces copper.
Yes, and the color changes, right? There is a color change which indicate that there is a chemical reaction happening. So what happens? Iron displaces copper because iron is more reactive than the copper. Copper से ज्यादा reactive है आयरन, तो वो क्या करता है, सल्फेट के साथ आयरन कंबाइन कर लेगा और कॉपर अलग हो जाएगा, राइट? कॉपर गेट्स separated. So this is what is displacement reaction, where one of the element is displacing another element from a compound, and this happens only and only when the element is more reactive than the element which is going to be replaced. जैसे कि मैं आपको इसी का उल्टा एग्जांपल दूं, अगर अब मैं आयरन सल्फेट लेती हूँ, ठीक है, I take iron sulfate and I put some copper dust into it. इसके अंदर मैं copper dust डालती हूँ. So what will be the result of this?
Ma'am, copper will displace the.
क्या होगा? Copper will displace iron. How many of you say this? That copper will
No, ma'am.
displace iron? No? Then what
Ma'am, it
will
can't
happen?
displace.
It can't displace. So what will be the result?
Same.
Ma'am, no change will be there.
Yes, no reaction. That means displacement reaction कब होगा? जब एक highly reactive element दूसरे element को displace करने की कोशिश करता है. So हमें कैसे पता चलेगा that which of the element is more reactive and which of them is not? So for this we have a reactivity series जो कि आपके class 8th के book में भी था, which was only for the metals, है ना? वो सिर्फ metals के लिए था, right? So here also I have a रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज ये एस्चन से ही क्लिक किया हुआ है, बट इसमें आई विल ऐड समथिंग। ये आपके एस्चन के इस वाले चैप्टर में नहीं दिया है, मेटल नॉन मेटल चैप्टर में आपको ये रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज मिल जाएगी। So everyone will note down this reactivity series in their notebooks, because आपको तभी पता चलेगा रिएक्शन होगा या नहीं जब आप देख पाओगे कि रिएक्ट करने वाला डिस्प्लेस करने वाले से ज्यादा रिएक्टिव है या नहीं। इफ इट इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन ओनली इट विल बी एबल टू डिस्प्लेस, अदरवाइज इट विल बी नॉट एबल टू डिस्प्लेस इट, राइट? सो इन दिस आई विल ऐड few of the things. You all also please note down. इसमें कुछ elements और add करूंगी मैं। सोडियम के बाद आप लोग लिथियम add कर लेना, इसमें नहीं दिया हुआ है, ठीक है? सोडियम के बाद लिथियम add कर लो। And one more I had to add. Just a moment. अभी ये देखो हाइड्रोजन, हम अभी इन सब के एग्जाम्पल्स हाइड्रोजन के साथ भी एक एग्जाम्पल हम करेंगे देखने के लिए कि हाइड्रोजन कब रिप्लेस होता है। गिव मी अ मोमेंट, एक और एलिमेंट मुझे ऐड करना था इसमें, आई एम फॉरगेटिंग व्हिच वन। यस, कार्बन। ये क्योंकि सिर्फ मेटल का दिया है तो इसमें कार्बन नहीं है, एल्यूमिनियम के बाद आप कार्बन ऐड कर लेना। So this reactivity series should be there in everyone's notebook, right? The notes for this I will be providing you on Google Classroom. I hope everyone have joined the Google Classroom. सबने Google
Yes,
Classroom
ma'am.
Yes,
join
ma'am.
कर?
Yes.
Great. Great. So notes I'll be providing there, but ये reactivity series आप लोग अभी if possible class में note कर लीजिए, right? Now I will be adding again a new fact. अभी तक की चीजें clear थी, because I'm going to add something new now. Am I clear till here? There's something in the chat, let me check. Satyam, I'll be sending the link again better. Okay, I'm clearing the board. Now I'll be putting some of the examples in front of you of the displacement reaction. I'll be asking you a question, and you have to answer me in the chat. Yeah, so one reaction I have pasted. This is indicating a displacement reaction. How can we confirm this? Because we can see that magnesium has displaced copper, right? So now if you break down this compound into two parts, so copper is a cationic part and sulfate is anion, right? Because sulfate negative part है और copper positive part है। So displacement reaction दो कैटेगरी में हम लोग ले सकते हैं। ये देखते हैं हम that cation का displacement हो रहा है या फिर anion का displacement हो रहा है। So in this case, tell me, is cation getting displaced or anion? Please mention the answer in the chat. Is cation getting displaced or anion in this case? Good. Good, Ritesh, Mohit. Others also please respond. Okay, Priyanshu is saying anion, Krish is saying cation, Ochit is saying cation, Aditi saying cation. Yes, it is cation part which is getting displaced, because if you see copper sulfate, so इसमें Cu is a positive part and sulfate is a negative part, and Cu is getting displaced. किसका displacement हो रहा है? Copper का, which is a positive part. So in this case, the displacement which is happening is a cation displacement. Right now, I'll be putting few more examples in front of you. Yes. Now you can see zinc when reacting with copper sulfate. ये सारे ही displacement reaction के examples हैं. Zinc is displacing copper. ये भी cationic है, yes, because positive part में हो रहा है. Aluminium displacing copper, iron displacing copper, lead displacing copper. In सब cases में copper का displacement हो रहा है because copper is less reactive than magnesium, then zinc, then aluminium, then iron, then lead. In सबसे कम reactive है copper, and that is why copper is getting displaced. Right, now let us move ahead and I'll give you one example in the case where we have hydrogen in our equation. Yeah, now आप लोगों ने reactivity series note किया जो मैंने अभी अपने screen पे रखा था? Have you all noted? Because I'll be asking you a question now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now I'll give you an equation and you have to tell me the product. The equation is Na, that is sodium, getting reacted with hydrochloric acid. So will this reaction occur? अब देखो यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन
NaCl.
अभी तक दो मेटल्स हो रहे थे. अभी तक हमने जितने भी रिएक्शंस देखे सब में मेटल जुड़ा था एनायन के साथ, बट अभी एक हाइड्रोजन जुड़ा हुआ है. सो इस केस में प्रोडक्ट बनेगा नहीं
NaCl.
बनेगा?
NaCl.
NaCl. So Mohit, my question is sodium more reactive than hydrogen? Have you checked it in the reactivity series? Yes or no? Is sodium more reactive than hydrogen? Have you all checked in the reactivity series?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
it is.
NaCl.
Yeah. So in
Yes,
that case, it will form NaCl. ये बहुत ही सिंपल रिएक्शन है. अगर आप लोग को याद होगा हमने इसको दूसरे कैटेगरी में पढ़ा था, रिएक्शन ऑफ एसिड विथ मेटल्स. हमने
in
इसको
class 8.
हाँ, तो हमें याद है कि उसमें हाइड्रोजन गैस रिलीज होती थी, राइट? सो बट अभी हम इसको डिफरेंट कैटेगरी में पढ़ रहे हैं एज अ डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन, राइट? सो इज दिस रिएक्शन क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
us do one.
Yes, ma'am.
And now we are taking potassium with let us take sulfuric acid. So will this displacement occur? क्या पोटेशियम हाइड्रोजन को हटा पाएगा? क्या पोटेशियम हाइड्रोजन से ज्यादा रिएक्टिव है?
It will displace hydrogen.
Yes, ma'am. It will displace hydrogen.
Yes,
Because a pot
yes.
higher reaction.
So आप लोग कैसे बता पा रहे हो? आपको देखने की जरूरत पड़ रही है रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज को, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Because without reactivity series we cannot say whether the reaction will occur or not, right? इसमें कौन सा डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो रहा है, कैटायन या एनायन?
Cation.
Yes, it is also cation because sodium एक कैटायन है जो कि हाइड्रोजन जो कि एक कैटायन है उसको डिस्प्लेस कर रहा है. So this is also a cation displacement. ठीक है, अब हम लोग एक एनायन डिस्प्लेसमेंट की बात करते हैं, बट एनायन डिस्प्लेसमेंट के लिए आप कैसे पता करोगे कि कौन ज्यादा रिएक्टिव है? बिकॉज आपको जो रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज दी गई है वो सिर्फ कैटायंस के लिए है, ठीक है? सो एक इंपॉर्टेंट सीरीज मैं आपको दे देती हूँ जो कि आप लोग अपने नोटबुक में लिख लो अभी. वन इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज फॉर फ्यू ऑफ द एनायंस जो आपके काम का है अभी. ये हैलोजेंस है, मतलब फ्लोरीन इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन क्लोरीन एंड क्लोरीन इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन ब्रोमीन एंड ब्रोमीन इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन आयोडीन. सो अब मुझे आप प्रोडक्ट बताओगे एक रिएक्शन का जो मैं आपसे पूछूंगी, ठीक है? सो द रिएक्शन इज क्लोरीन getting reacted with सोडियम ब्रोमाइड, अगर क्लोरीन सोडियम ब्रोमाइड के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा तो प्रोडक्ट क्या बनेगा? I'm not balancing the equations, okay? I'm just trying to give the product. Yeah. Will this reaction occur? Yes or no? Okay, Satyam has given his answer. Satyam, please look at the product that you have formed. Yes, Sachin has given the answer. Ochitya has given the answer. Ridesh has given the answer. Good. So, yes, the reaction will occur because you can see in the anion series which I have given you, ब्रोमीन से ज्यादा रिएक्टिव है क्लोरीन, है ना? क्लोरीन ब्रोमीन से ज्यादा रिएक्टिव है. So that means chlorine will be able to displace the bromine, right? See, in such detail you will not get it in NCERT or maybe side book. So please try to make instant notes. Notes obviously I'll be providing, but कुछ चीजें जो आप instantly note करते हो that you remember for longer time. So इस केस में प्रोडक्ट बनेगा NaCl सोडियम क्लोराइड और जो ब्रोमीन होगा वो Br2 के फॉर्म में, नॉट जस्ट Br2. जैसे हाइड्रोजन सिर्फ H नहीं हो सकता, वैसे क्लोरीन Cl2 है, ब्रोमीन Br2 है, राइट? So good. I can see many of you are able to tell me the product. कृष क्या लिखा है? Cl2Br. बेटा Cl2Br कैसे हो पाएगा? आप देखो, क्लोरीन भी एक एनायन है और ब्रोमीन भी एक एनायन है, तो एक एनायन के साथ कभी नहीं जुड़ सकता. एनायन कैन कंबाइन विद अ कैटायन ओनली, right?
NaCl.
Yeah, NaCl will be formed. Now tell me, is this an anion displacement or a cation displacement?
Anion.
Anion displacement.
Anion.
It is an anion displacement. Good. Fine. Now we'll be doing one last reaction over displacement reaction. Displacement में हम एक last reaction कर लेते हैं, which is again for anion that I'll be giving you. Let us do the reaction between. Now we are taking in the reactant bromine and sodium iodide. Sodium iodide. Will this reaction occur? If yes, what will be the product?
Ma'am, reaction will not occur.
No, ma'am. Not occur.
Ma'am,
Not
reaction
occur?
will not occur.
Will not occur. Okay. Are you sure, Mohit? Look carefully. Okay,
Yes,
Ochitya
ma'am.
has given the product. Sachin has given the product. Ridesh has given the product. Sachin is saying it will occur. Ridesh, I2.
Ma'am, bromine iodide.
Beta, bromine or iodine cannot combine. They both are anion. Sodium can combine with bromine. Try to understand this. Okay, fine. So if we look into the series, अगर हम इस series को देखें, so we can see bromine is more reactive. Bromine is more reactive than iodine, isn't it? So this reaction will occur. Bromine iodine से ज़्यादा reactive है. Good, Kritika. So yes, the product which will be formed will be NaBr. Sodium will react with bromine and iodine को निकाल देगा बाहर, और iodine will be separated as I2. So this is again a single displacement reaction. Are all these reactions clear to you? We have discussed so many.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So now if I ask someone to define displacement reaction, can you all define displacement reaction?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please raise your hand, the one who can do it. Okay, Abhishek has joined the class. Wow. Yes, Abhishek, please give the definition.
Ma'am, the reaction in which one elements, ma'am, take place of the another element in compound, ma'am, in a reaction is called displacement reaction.
Excellent, Abhishek. Very good. Okay, Auchitya, you also define.
The reaction in which the more reactive element displaces the less reactive element is called displacement reaction.
Yes, from the compound. Very good, Auchitya. So yes, we define displacement reaction as a reaction in which more reactive element displaces the less reactive element from the compound. And displacement can occur of both cation and anion, right? We mostly see it for the cations and reactivity series भी हम metals की देखते हैं, हम positive part की देखते हैं, but ऐसा नहीं है कि anion displacement नहीं होता है. Anion displacement also occurs. Fine. So we have done lots of examples, and I can see there is sudden raise in attendance by 2 or 3, which means that some of you are joining class very late. And let me tell you, it was very, very important thing that we have discussed today. So please try to join the class on time. Is Nakul present? Nahi aaya na aaj? Let me see. नहीं, इसको एक बार डांटने पे ही एक बार ही आता है. Fine. Let us move ahead now. We'll be moving to the double displacement reaction. So displacement reaction is now done. We'll be moving ahead with double displacement. That means in some reaction it may occur that, just let me show you through an example. I'm clearing this out. Clear it. Good, Krish. Very good. So Krish has defined it in the chat. Fine. Now moving to the double displacement reaction. If I try to indicate it with the reaction that we take in ABC form, so double displacement reaction means where there are two compounds which are getting reacted. दो कंपाउंड है, मतलब दोनों ही एक से ज्यादा एलिमेंट से बने हुए हैं, राइट? एंड व्हेन दे रिएक्ट दे एक्सचेंज द एलिमेंट्स. इनमें एलिमेंट्स का एक्सचेंज हो जाता है. दैट मीन्स मे बी वन ऑफ दिस विल बी एक्सचेंज्ड विद द अदर दिस वे, राइट? सो द प्रोडक्ट विच विल बी फॉर्म्ड, अब ये भी देखो, एनायन का डिस्प्लेसमेंट एनायन के साथ ही होगा, कैटायन का डिस्प्लेसमेंट कैटायन के साथ ही होगा. इट्स नॉट दैट कैटायन विल गेट डिस्प्लेस्ड and will attach with cation. Cation cannot combine with cation. A positive cannot combine with positive, right? So if this is a positive part and this is a negative part and this is a positive part and this is a negative part, tell me the product. What will be the product? This positive will,
Ma'am,
yes,
AD plus BC.
very good. So a positive will always combine with the negative. That means cation will be reacting with anion and anion will be reacting with cation. So this you have to keep in your mind. Let me write it to be CB, क्योंकि negative part हमेशा पीछे की तरफ लिखते हैं, right? So not BC बल्कि CB. So this is what is double displacement reaction. And if we try to define it, how can we? Will someone try to define double displacement reaction? Raise your hand if you all want to try.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, reaction in which ma'am two compounds react by an exchange of ion, like ma'am, cations react with anions and anions react with cations to form some new compound is called double displacement.
Okay. Good. Good try, Abhishek. Anyone else who would like to try to define double displacement? Vartika. Vartika, will you? Okay, Krish. Krish?
Ma'am, in those reaction where the compound, more reactive compound can displace lower reactive compound whenever, and the displacement will happen where the anode will attach with cathode atoms, and anode will cathode.
बेटा पहली बात कैथोड अलग होता है, कैटायन अलग होता है.
Ma'am, cation and anion will attach.
Yes, cation and anion. And you said that one compound is displaced by another compound. There's no displacement of compound occurring. There's a displacement of ion occurring, right? That's okay, fine. So we can define double displacement as a reaction where one component of the each reactant, दोनों reactant का एक component exchange हो जाता है and they form the exchange to form the product, right? So the component of each reactant gets exchanged to form the product. Okay, I've got the definition from Vartika also. She has written double displacement reaction is a type of reaction in which the reactant ion exchange places to form new product. Yes, exactly. There is an exchange of ion occurring from the reactants. Very good. Now we'll be moving ahead to know few of the examples. एक बहुत सिंपल और सबसे इजी एग्जाम्पल जो हम लोग फिर से I'll say we are studying from class 7 is neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction तो सबको आता है ना? Yes. You all know neutralization
ma'am.
reaction where an acid reacts with a base, right? So we are taking a hydrochloric acid which is reacting with sodium hydroxide. So this is the positive part, this is a negative part. I am highlighting for your resistance right now, and this is hydroxide which is in all a negative, right? So what will be the new product which will be formed?
Ma'am, NaCl plus H2O.
Yes, excellent. The product which will be formed is the positive part will be written first and then the negative NaCl, and then H and OH will form water. So in double displacement reaction, we can see a neutralization reaction as an example, right? Very, very important. ठीक है, double like इस पे क्वेश्चन बनाया जा सकता है कि न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन किस तरह के रिएक्शन में आता है. Does it come in combination? Does it come in decomposition? Does it come in single displacement? Does it come in double displacement? किस में आता है?
Double displacement.
Double displacement. बहुत घूम घूम कर क्वेश्चन बनाए जा सकते हैं. So that is why आपको इक्वेशंस को पहचानना बहुत जरूरी है, right? So this is the example of a double displacement, but a type of reaction is neutralization that you can see. Now in some of the double displacement reaction, we can see the formation of precipitate happening. So that means most of the time the precipitation reaction are also the double displacement reaction. यानी जो reactions में precipitation हो रहा है वो double displacement reaction भी होते हैं, right? So let us take an example. I will again take an example which we have done already in the class. एक reaction जो हमने class में already किया हुआ है. Do you all remember we took sodium sulfate and barium chloride? क्या बना था? ठीक है, आप लोग रिएक्टेंट देख के बनाने की कोशिश करो. Now tell me the product. I'm not going to tell you the positive and the negative parts now. Tell me the products in the chat.
Sodium,
Hmm?
sodium chloride and barium sulfate.
Yes, Gaurav, I told you to respond in the chat, beta. Good, Ridesh. Ridesh, BA. Yeah, I think it's a typing error. Good, Achitya. Good. No. Abhishek, one of the product is, I think, not correct. Mohit, correct. Sachin, correct. Krish, correct. Yes, Ridesh. Aditi, correct. Yes. So what will be the product which will be formed is sodium chloride and बेरियम सल्फेट. So इसमें से precipitate किसका बनता है और कौन से कलर का? कौन बनाता है precipitate? Which of them?
Barium sulfate.
Barium.
Yes, it forms a white color PPT which settles down, right? So we can see that double displacement reaction generally are the precipitation reactions also, right? And let us take one more example. Any precipitation reaction that you are अच्छा एक और हमने किया था ना lead nitrate वाला. We can write even that. Let me write another one. Lead nitrate. Plus sodium sulfate. What will be the product?
Ma'am, PbI2 plus KNO3.
मैंने दूसरा रिएक्टेंट लिया है बेटा. देखो अभिषेक, I've taken a different reactant. Lead nitrate के साथ मैंने potassium iodide नहीं लिया. I haven't taken the potassium iodide that we did in the class. I remember.
Potassium sulfate.
Potassium sulfate ये lead है बेटा. This is lead. Potassium we write K.
Ma'am,
So this
lead
is
sulfate
and
plus
sodium
sodium nitrate.
Yes, it will form lead sulfate and sodium nitrate. Yes, I'm not balancing any of these. Okay, so while you'll be writing it in the notebooks, you'll have to balance these equations also. Like if you want to balance this one, Na is 2, so I'll be writing 2 here, and NO3 already is 2. So yes, it's balanced, I think. नहीं,
Ma'am, lead sulfate, no?
ये मैंने ना रिएक्शन अभी थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ लिखा. लेट मी करेक्ट इट. या लेड सल्फेट. लगातार स्क्रीन देखे आई एम फीलिंग डिजीनेस नाउ. या so this is what is double displacement reaction. So in double displacement reaction देखो as a types नहीं दिया है, but I am telling you as a types also that in single displacement I told you two, that is a displacement can occur of cation also or of anion. So as per that we call it to be a cation displacement, anion displacement. A double displacement में भी मैंने आपको types बताए हैं. That is, it can be a neutralization, it can be a precipitation reaction also. And there are also the double displacement reaction जिसमें gaseous form होता है, right? I don't find that it is in any of the class 10th book in your syllabus, but let us take one example. Let us not take because it is not part of the syllabus, right? 10th में हम लोग extra नहीं पढ़ते हैं. Fine. So here we complete again the two other types of reaction, that is single displacement and double displacement. Now only one type is left, oxidation and reduction, which we'll be doing in the next class. And before that, I'll be sending you the notes. पिछले क्लास का नोट्स मैंने व्हाट्सएप पे भेजा था एज अ ऑब्जर्वेशन, राइट? उसको आप लोग पहले लिख लोगे जिन लोगों ने नहीं लिखा है. And the notes for today's class, I'll try to send it as soon as possible. Not today, maybe tomorrow, right? Okay. And if you have any question, you may ask. Otherwise, we can end the class now. Do you have any question?
Ma'am, you have time, no? 10 minutes time, no?
Is it that 11:45 का time है ना बेटा?
Ma'am, 11:55.
Is it that? Really? Let me
Yes,
check.
ma'am.
Fine, then we can continue. Because
No,
पता है,
ma'am.
listen, क्या है ना 6 to 8 का जो शेड्यूल था उसमें 11:55 तक का टाइम है, बट जो आप लोगों का शेड्यूल है ना उसमें 11:45 तक का टाइम है. एक बार चेक करो प्लीज. मैंने कल क्लास 6 का शेड्यूल किया था तो 11:55 तक का किया था, बट आप लोगों का मैंने 45 तक किया है. इट इज स्टिल 45 बेटा. सी दिख रहा है मेरा फोन?
Ma'am, 40 minutes only.
Yes, it is 11:05 to 45. Can you see beta? दिख रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
So
Ma'am, in Edunext it is given 55.
नहीं वो इसलिए ना मिस्टेक हुआ होगा बिकॉज क्या कहते हैं इन 6 to 8 it is still 11:55 but till from 9 to 12 it is still 11:45. तो मे बी मैम ने कंफ्यूजन में उधर भी 55 डाल दिया बट इट इज स्टिल 11:45 only. Okay, 40 minutes
ma'am.
class. Okay, fine. Jai Hind everyone.
Jai ma'am. Jai ma'am.